Shippo versus Pirate Ship. Which shipping software is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which shopping software is better among Capital One Quicksilver and Capital One Severon. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Shippo shipping software. Shippo supports a wide range of carriers, including UPS, FedEx, DHL, and more, providing flexibility in shipping options. Allows for bulk printing of shipping labels, saving time for businesses with high shipping volumes. Offers advanced features such as automated workflows, address validation, and international shipping support. Provides branded tracking pages and shipping labels, enhancing the customer experience. Flexible pricing model with no monthly fees, paying only for the labels you use. Somehow, the wide range of features and customization options can be overwhelming for new users. While there is a pay as you go model, some advanced features may require a subscription. Now let's come towards Pirate Ship shipping software. Pirate Ship offers a straightforward and easy to use interface, making it accessible for beginners. Charges no monthly fees. Users only pay for the cost of shipping labels. Provides access to heavily discounted US rates, which can result in significant savings on shipping cost. Transparent pricing with no hidden fees or markups on shipping rates. Supports batch printing of labels, which is useful for processing multiple orders quickly. Somehow primarily focuses on us with limited support for other carriers compared to Shippo. While it integrates with some e-commerce platforms, the range of integrations is not as extensive as Shippo's. Lacks some of the advanced features and customization options available in Shippo. Choosing between Shippo and Pirate Ship depends on your business's shipping needs and preferences. Shippo is ideal for businesses that require multi-carrier support, advanced features, and seamless integration with various e-commerce platforms. On the other hand, Pirate Ship is perfect for businesses looking for a simple, user-friendly, and cost-effective solution with no monthly fees and access to discounted US rates. That's all for this video.